we are ready to connect the beaker ring, bias, and heater, which go to tower. Which one is this from 293A?
Tower 10.
Tower 10, and I need the map of the connectors.
Yes. So, what do you want to connect?
I want to connect beaker module ring, bias, and heater.
Yes, you go to 10 ml. 10, and then ml is always in the middle on the bottom.
Yes, and bias and heater goes to
Bias always left.
bias left.
These are always right. So you go here down ml, these two.
Yes.
You need for the bias, and these two you need for the heater.
All right. So I am ready to connect mini beaker ring bias to tower 10 ml bias. Can you confirm on the heater bias plan?
Say again?
Tower 10 ml bias.
Okay.
I have to hold the whole carousel that I'm pushing against. Yep. Can you confirm tower 10 ml bias is still open?
So bias 10 ml is open.
And now?
Closed.
10 ml bias is closed, and that is the bias of mini beaker ring.
This is 10 ml bias.
Yes, correct. So now we do 10 ml heater.
Okay.